Happy Monday. Gosh, is this really week 4 of your packets? Oh my goodness, it's going by so fast. Well, I thought I would get a little tech savvy today and make a video where you could actually see my face. I know all of my math videos, you've only seen my hand writing. So I thought I would, I've got to challenge myself and get more tech savvy. Mrs. Price, she's not very tech savvy. So this is a good learning experience for me too. Anyways, I am just going to go through your packet with you just really quickly. I thought it would be fun every Monday if I made a video where you can see me and I'm going to walk you through some things. Yeah, and I just kind of get to say hi and talk to you through the camera, which I wish I could do it in person, but this is the next best thing. Okay, so this is your packet for this week. You may have gone and picked it up at packet distribution at school. It might be on its way. They mailed these out on Friday. Or remember, I'm uploading them on Google Classroom, and then I'm also uploading them on Dojo for your parents. So you can get these in a lot of different places. I made a copy for each one of you on Google Classroom, so you can open up your own personal PDF and get started, okay? Okay, all right. I love this at the top because it's reminding you we have office hours on Thursdays from 9 to 11 and 5 to 7 p.m. And you guys have my Google number. And remember, you can always call me and ask questions if you're confused. But your parents already know that you can also ask me through Dojo or send me an email if you guys need help any time of the week. Okay? Alrighty. So reading. Guys, I cannot tell you how important it is that you are reading every day. Okay? Your reading level can drop if you're not reading every day. And we don't want that to happen because you guys were on such a good track for those 2.5 months when I came in January. You guys were doing really well, getting on Raz Kids, getting on Epic, reading your books from your book box. We were getting into a really good routine and then we stopped. So don't get out of that routine. And all you need to do is what it says on this paper. Each day, you guys are in 4th grade now. So you really need to be reading 30 to 40 minutes, in my opinion. It's really, really important. You can read your favorite book at home. You can read a book on Epic or on Mayan. Remember, Mayan is through Clever. Or you can read a book on Raz Kids. Or change it up. Do something different every day. Or you can read the same book all week, right? It's just going to make you more fluent, and you're gonna grow and become a better reader, a stronger reader when you do this. So please, please, please make sure you are reading. I'm going to shout out Jackie and Lily because I have seen their books on Raz Kids. I've been able to listen to them read, and I love that you guys are recording your self-reading. It's awesome because then I can see what you need help with and give you some pointers and tell you what you're doing really well. So good job, Jackie and Lily, on reading. I'm sure everybody's reading a book. But I want to hear you on Raz Kids, so make sure you log on maybe at least once a week and read for me, okay? And send that recording to me. And I also have to shout out a few other students because I sent an assessment through Raz Kids, and I heard Gavin read words, Paul read some words. Who else read words? Jackie. A few of you, if I forgot you, I'm so sorry. But a few of you read words, and man, they sounded really, really good. It was very fluent. So good for you. Good job. So reading, right? Make sure you're reading, and then we want you to do a little bit of writing because reading and writing go hand in hand. If you're a great reader, you know what? You're going to be a great writer, and then vice versa. So on Monday, we want you to read your book, whatever that is, and write about your favorite part of the book. So 3 to 5 sentences. Tell me about your favorite part. What was your favorite part? Why was it your favorite part? Right? Tell me why. Like, was it the characters? You really enjoyed the characters, or maybe you really enjoyed where the setting was and you really enjoyed seeing the illustrations of the setting. Maybe it was your favorite part because of the way that it ended, or maybe because of the way they solved the problem. Whatever you want to write about, 3 to 5 sentences. Tuesday, you're going to write about your favorite characters. Right? And when you think about characters, I want you to think about what makes them your favorite. What do you like about them? Think about these things. Like, what do they say? What are some of the things that they say that's funny, or maybe it's irritating? Um, what do they look like? Like, how do they dress? What's their style? Maybe they're quirky and really creative, and they wear their own clothes that they've made. I have no idea. It depends on the book that you're reading. But think about what they look like and what they wear. That adds to their character in the book. Think about the things that they do. What do they do in the book? Their actions. This should give you at least a good 3 to 6 sentences if you think about those things. Wednesday, we want you to write a different ending. How fun. You get to be the author and change the ending up. Get really creative with it. Make it fun. So if you have a happy ending in your book, maybe you can rewrite the ending. And it's only 3 to 5 sentences. You don't have to write like 5 pages unless you want to. But think about, if it's a happy ending, how can I make it a sad ending or a scary ending? Maybe a creepy, eerie ending, right? Have fun with it. And then on Thursday, it's the complete opposite. We want you to rewrite the beginning of the book. So think about how your book starts out. And, maybe it starts out with a really bad problem. Well, change the problem. Like, change it up a little bit and make the book go in a different direction in the beginning. And then on Friday, we want you just to write a summary. And when you write a summary, we want you to think about, who are the characters and what's the setting? What are the characters, the problems that they run into? And how do they solve the problems? What do they do throughout the book? And you want to do that in sequential order. First, then, next, last. What do they do in the book that gets them to solving that problem? And then how does it end? That's how you write a summary, kind of in a nutshell. Okay, so that's reading and a little bit of writing, and then your math. Make sure with math, man, a great warm-up, and we put this on here, is to practice those math facts, those flashcards that you guys should have made. And if you didn't make flashcards, that's okay. Just write down your 2s, write down your 4s again, and then go back through those. I can't tell you how important that is for automaticity of those math facts. It's just like your sight words, you need to know them in a snap, right? Well, the same thing goes for your math facts. You need to be able to say 4 times 4 is 16, right? I still know mine because I did that over and over and over when I was your age. And then go through your math worksheets. And Mrs. Price actually has a little bit extra for you this week. I'm going to upload my videos, and then I'm also going to upload videos from the actual curriculum that will walk you through the lessons and give you like a lesson. And then we want you to do some writing. And we gave you some really, really fun writing prompts. And I want you to read through these and really think about how you would respond through writing. Again, 3 to 5 sentences. I would just really encourage you guys with your writing, and then also your writing during your reading, your response to reading. You need to make sure you're writing complete sentences. They need to make sense. You need to have periods. You need to have punctuation at the end of your sentences. And you need to start your sentences with a capital letter, right? We need to make sure that we are really paying attention to that, even though you're writing at home. It's really good practice, okay? And other than that, and I also wanted to scroll through this because we gave you this summary helper. Actually, Mr. Juarez put this together for you. And he gives you a little example of a summary that he wrote about his favorite book, The Tiger Rising. So use these sentence stems to help you out, to get you started. And if you want to add to it, great, you can add to it. And then, of course, here is your math, okay? And I will walk you through math on those separate videos. So good luck. Have a great week. If you need help, then reach out to me. Otherwise, I miss you. I can't wait to see you on our Zoom calls this week. And have a great week. All right. Bye, guys.